Alright, in this screencast I'll show you how to create your classes and your world for your little crab game. So in Greenfoot we have world classes and actor classes, and we need a world for our actors to live in. So we're going to go to the world, and we're going to right click and go to new subclass. And we can name the world whatever we want. I tend to call my stuff things like crab world or sand or something like that. If I go into backgrounds here, I'm going to pick some sand for my crab to um, live in. So I'm going to go to sand 2 and click OK. And then you can see the striped lines through my class here. That means I need to compile my classes, and then I will have my world. So here's my world, and if I go into the class here, here's the code for my world. Make that a little bigger for you. And if I go here where it says super 600 by 400, this comment says it's going to make a world that's 600 by 400 cells with a cell size of 1 pixel. So I want to make my world a little bigger, maybe 600 by 600. So I'll change those two things. Press compile, and now you'll see that my world is now a different size. It's 600 by 600. So now in my game, there's going to be a crab that eats worms, and there's also going to be a lobster that eats crabs. So over here, the objects in my world are called actors. So I'm going to create a new subclass. I'm going to create the crab. So I type crab, and I pick the picture I want to use, this crab PNG file here. You can get the crab PNG file off our Moodle page, and just make sure that it is in your images folder for this scenario. Also notice that my class names are capitalized. In Java, we are going to capitalize our class names. So I click OK, and there's my crab. I'm going to create a new subclass called worm. You can get the worm file off of the Moodle page also. Remember, capitalized because it's a class name. And then I'm also going to create a lobster right now. And so I'm going to type in lobster. And the lobster is actually built into Greenfoot. So I'm going to go to animals and pick lobster.png out of here. Press compile like that. Everything compiles. There is a little bit of code written for each class that Greenfoot made for you, but right now for creating the world and our classes, that's all you have to do.